Hi guys, and welcome back to EverlastCyber. In today's video, I'll be sharing some free resources to learn cybersecurity. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or if you're looking for extra material while preparing for your exam, this will hopefully help you to gain a lot of knowledge. I'll be sharing some websites where you can visit and get some free cybersecurity certifications, as well as some micro courses that you can do to help your growth in your cybersecurity career. First off, we have Codecademy. Codecademy is an online platform that has a lot of interactive coding tutorials and courses on various programming languages as well as tech. There are courses on Python, JavaScript, and cybersecurity, so it all depends on where you want to dive into. So when you visit the website, you just come down here and click on Explore Full Catalog. One of the most popular courses in this platform is Introduction to Cybersecurity, which we have here. Now, you can complete this course in just 3 hours. With this course, you can join the fast growing field of cybersecurity by learning how to protect your data and information from digital attacks. The syllabus, as you can see here, the skill level is beginner, and you have 3 hours to complete this course. It involves 2 lessons, 1 project, and 3 quizzes. Now, to take this course, you don't need to have a background in cybersecurity. As you can see here, you don't require any prerequisites to start this course. If I expand the session, you can see the various modules. So you have what is cybersecurity, which is like an introduction into the course. You have history and cybersecurity standards. You'll also be learning about cyber threats and how to avoid them. And in this module, you explore malware, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, zero-day attacks, and lots more. You also learn about cryptography, authentication and authorization, network security basics, securing your personal devices, and then you have a case study where um, you look at various case studies that has happened over the years. You also read articles about the trending topics in cybersecurity. So this is a very powerful platform where you can get your cybersecurity certification. And the most juicy part of it is that it is free of charge. So, like I mentioned earlier, you don't need any background training because this is a beginner level course. So that's it for Code Academy. If you're interested in programming, there are a lot of free programming courses that you can take as well. So I'll just go back on this page. So you can learn Python, you can learn HTML, JavaScript, SQL, name it. Like there are a lot of things you can actually learn on this platform. And there are various levels. You have the beginner level, you have the intermediate level, as well as the advanced level. The second platform where you can learn some free cybersecurity courses and also gain certifications is the EC Council. EC Council is one of the largest cybersecurity technical certification bodies, and they have operations in over 145 countries. EC Council has 9 free cybersecurity courses that they offer, and these courses have certifications. First on the list is a practical introduction to cloud computing. In this course, you'll be learning about the infrastructure as a service option that includes virtual machines on shared physical servers. Let's just say in this course, you're going to learn how to deploy virtual machines on AWS, as well as understanding the different cloud service model. The second free course you can do is Cybersecurity for Businesses, the Fundamental Edition. In this course, you're going to learn how to identify business critical data, understand the risk mindset needed to protect businesses, and also determine the risks involved. The third free course that you can learn and obtain a certification is the Android Bug Bounty Hunting. In this, you will learn about mobile bug bounty hunting. You familiarize yourself with a solid bug bounty methodology. You understand the intricacies of bug bounty, as well as learning about path variables. The next course is Introduction to the Dark Web, Anonymity, and Cryptocurrency. In this, you will learn how to access the dark web safely. You will learn how to access information with being anonymous to everyone, as well as effectively using Tor browser and proxy chain. The fifth course is learning how to build your own net app storage lab. So you're going to learn how to build a fully ready and complete net app simulator lab from scratch using ONTAP 9. You also learn how to configure the networking. The next course is Introduction to SAN and NAS Storage. And remember, with this, you're getting a certification at the end of the course. The seventh course is the Cisco Labs Crash Course. It's a free course for all. In this, you're going to learn how DHCP clients work on Cisco iOS and how to configure it. You also learn how to connect the Cisco router to the internet, configure DHCP server on Cisco iOS, as well as configuring port address translation on Cisco iOS. The next free course is the SQL injection attacks, where you learn the basics of SQL injection attacks. You will learn how to use Kali Linux database penetration testing tools, as well as performing SQL injection attacks. The ninth free course is configuring Juniper SRX router using JWeb. So this platform is very robust and it has a plethora of free certifications you can obtain. There are also some free micro courses you can take on this website. Now, these 15 free courses will help your growth in the cybersecurity career. However, these 15 courses do not offer certifications. So at your convenience time, you can go through the website and, browse through the courses and pick anyone that is of interest to you to help in your cybersecurity journey. The third website we have where you can get free cyber security education courses is the Palo Alto Networks. The Palo Alto Network is a global cybersecurity company that protects organizations from cyber attacks. Once you register, you'll be able to see various free courses offered. There are a lot of courses offered. As you see, there's the Introduction to Cybersecurity, you have Fundamentals of Network Security, you have fundamentals of cloud security as well as the Security Operations Center. Once you register, you'll see all these courses that are offered for free. They also have cybersecurity certification exams with guides on how you can go from training to the main exam itself. So there are a lot of resources out there for you to, build up your cybersecurity knowledge in your cybersecurity career. So let me know what you think about this website. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer those questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.